Hello, techies. Alright, so we are in lab 6.5.15 and we're going to troubleshoot DNS record. So you are the administrator for the CopNet, the local domain. The CopDC and CopDC3 servers are the DNS servers for the domain. You're responsible for CopDC, which resides in Building A. Some users report that they are unable to connect to contact the COP web server. So in this lab, your task is to have a list of things that we have to do in this lab. All right, so don't forget that this is lab 6.5.15 and this is a test out network plus lab. All right, so in this lab, the tasks will include to test the connectivity to CopWeb using the ping command. We're going to ping copweb.copnet, the local ping 192.168.0.15, which is the IP address for CopWeb. We also create any DNS record needed to fix the problem using the following information. Host name is going to be CopWeb and IP address is going to be 192.168.0.15. And we're going to test the connectivity to CopWeb using the ping command. And we're going to ping copweb.copnet, the local, and we're going to ping 192.168.0.15, and we're going to answer question 2 also. All right, so let's start up lab. So should in case let's see. Okay, so should in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video, and you'll be successful in this lab. So let's wait for this lab to load. Alright, so the lab has loaded successfully. Let us start up right away. Alright, so we go to Cop server, select Cop server, and let's maximize this. And from our tags, let's see, text the connectivity on CopWeb using the ping the CopWeb, the Cop local, CopNet the local, and let's see, ping 192.168.0.15. Alright, so we just go to start menu, start, and we go to Windows PowerShell. Now with Windows PowerShell, we are going to ping copweb.copnet.local, and we'll press enter. Okay, there's an error somewhere. Alright, so we just let's redo this. So ping CopWeb. Okay, we're pinging 192.168.0.15, and that is a successful ping. So let's see the questions we have. Why test the connectivity? Which ping command was successful, if any? So this is the one that is successful here. The first one we tried wasn't successful. So let's minimize this and continue working. Let's minimize this. So this is Cop DC. We select Cop DC and we start up Cop DC. So let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. And we go to tools. Under tools, we select DNS. Now DNS is selected. Let's maximize this. Let's go to Cop DC and create any DNS record needed to fix the problem using the following information: COP web 192.168.0.15. Alright, so go to forward lookup. So copynet the local. So DNS record is needed. So new host. So copynet the web, cop web. So 192.168.0.15. I will click add host. This is the information we entered right here. So let's click add host. So we click OK. Let's close this. Open stats menu on your Windows. Okay, no, not yet. We have a PowerShell running already, so no need to open a fresh one. So we just ping 192. Okay, copweb dot copnet dot local. Okay, so this ping is successful this time around. And let's ping 192. The host is 0.5. So this is successful also. So go ahead and answer the questions that follows. So ping. Okay. So we'll go ahead. We've answered all the questions needed here. So we'll go ahead and score up. So in case you find this video helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.